So now let's see how we can work around with Books plugin inside of ChatGPT. So in order to work around with Books plugin, I'm going to go around onto Explore GPT's section right here and type in Books right here, just like this. So once I go around over here, you can see that this is what you have, your AI guide in the world for literature right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and start this chat right here. And now you can go around and find out books as you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, give me 10 books that are related to Adobe After Effects right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then it searches out for books right here, and then it simply goes around and lists out the book, as you can see right here. It tells the release date and the information right here, just like this as well, and so forth. So that is what you have. So now you can see that it listed out the 10 books related to After Effects right here, just like this. So I can also go around and tell, give me brief information in one paragraph graph each on the content that each book provides as well. So let's say let's just go around and do that right here. So once I go around and do that, I can go around and allow it to access out information right here, and then what happens is that you can see that it simply gives out this information in about all of the books right here, just like this, in one paragraph. And that is how you can go around and utilize the Books plugin inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.